friends, and welcome back to another video. I am Tabitha and I was born to DIY. If you're new here, welcome. I am so delighted to have you, and if you're returning, I greatly appreciate you. Okay, so friends, I have been trying to decide on what I needed to do to light up two areas in my backyard, right? Well, it's not even just the backyard, it's the backyard and on side of the house. Well, today I am actually going to review these solar lights, okay? So, first, let me say this, okay? These are SakerPlus, okay? Solar street lights. We're gonna test this out in just a little bit, okay? It said it is reliable, powerful, and always ready, day and night. Okay, day and night. It's solar, so it's wireless. Okay. Also, it said it's 100,000 LM aluminum, ultra bright, solar charging, 220 wide coverage, and all weather resistance. Okay. Now, I'm gonna make sure that I leave the information to the light down in the description. So what we're about to do is we're actually about to take the light outside, okay? It is currently 8 p.m., well, 8:16 to be exact, p.m. at night. So I'm gonna cut off my back porch light so that you can see soon as we enter outside how pitch black the area that I'm going to is. It's two areas. So we're gonna take the light out there and we're gonna test this light out. But first, let me show you the light, okay? I received two of these lights, okay? So here you can see that it is solar. This is the solar, and this is the lights in the front, okay? It has the solar scepter that shows if it's charging, and it also has an on and off switch. So, woo, we can just test this out just from being in the house. Did you see I almost just blind myself? What was I thinking? Anyway, as I stated, I have two of these, okay? Here is where you can adjust this, and it comes with this that you can screw it on to whatever building, house, pole that you will want, okay? So that way it can be anchored down. Again, as I stated, I have two of them, okay? As you can see. Now, we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna get myself all set up so that way we can go outside and we can actually test the light out, okay? So I'll meet you outside, friends. Also, friends, guess what? It comes with a remote. So this remote has on and off, and it actually have 3 modes. And it has an SOS. I'm not gonna press the SOS. I'm not sure if that make an alarm or not, but I will leave that information for you. Okay, friends, so as you can see, I'm back outside. This light is off. The only light that I actually have is the light that is over there on my pole, okay? Now, the other area that I was telling you that is real dark, that I want you to see, is this space here. So here on the side of my house, it is very, very, very dark. Let's cut the light on. Woo, friends, do you see that? I'm not even holding it up just yet, but if I did, let me just show you how that is actually brightening up that whole entire space. Like, friends, do you see that? Now, I'm gonna show you another area that I have that is extremely dark, okay? That is actually over here by my garden, okay? So this is my garden at night. I need to cut the light off because I need you to see this. Okay, this is my garden at night. It is dark over here with the exception of you just seen these lights. Okay, I have that mini little light over there. Let's see this. So if I had this in this space, I want you to see, can you see what I see? So hold on, let's turn this camera around. Okay, look at that, friends. Do you see how this space will be completely lit up at night? Disregard my mess. I'm working. Okay, but do you see that? So, I think this light may be a great light, friends. Okay, friends, we done made it back into the house, okay? It has started raining again. It stormed all day yesterday and last night. Can't you see it's holding up the process of me getting back into that garden? But we need the rain because guess what? My garden is going to love that rain. So those vegetables need it and the plants need it. So no complaints. It's okay. Anyway, friends, the light is going to light up both of those spaces very well. So it's going to be the area on the side of the house as well as the light that's going to be facing towards my garden because I really need more light over there. It exactly is too dark there. Okay, so just remember, I'm going to leave that information down in the description so that way you will have the link to this actual solar lights. Okay, and they are actually currently a limited time having 50% off on those lights. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna leave that, and it is SakerPlus. That's SAKER, okay, plus.com. But I'll leave that down there, friends. Now remember to always be bold, be creative, but most importantly, friends, be you. Until next time, friends. Bye.